Hi guys, and welcome back to watching Nelly Doing Things. If you guys can see from the title below, I am trying on some new makeup today, of course, like usual. The makeup we're going to be talking about today is the new Colourpop. So I actually did hear about these quads eyeshadows, but also they came out with quad blushes. I at least got one from each of those cute little collections. And guys, these are really cute. I'm going to get into these, but before I jump all the way into it, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And don't forget to leave a comment below. And as well, don't forget to hit that notification button while you're down there as well. So let's get into these quads. All right, y'all. So I wanted to talk about pretty much a little bit of the packaging because these are kind of within the same, just a different, you know, one for eye, one for cheeks. The eyeshadow. So the eyeshadow one I got is Sparkler. Yes. I wanted to get Mocktail, but I was like, let me do a nice deep chocolate goldie palette, just a simple one. This I did get for like, I think $4 is half off. They had a deal if you add this to anything in your car at that time, you can get this one for like half off or something. So that was then, that was, you know, a little minute ago. So I thought this packaging was gonna be very like cheap plastic and basic, but actually this is actually very nice. It's nice and slick for the price range, you know. On the back it does have kind of like a beige sticker and it's telling you all the 4 different colors in the quad. This does have like a cute little snap to it. I love that. And of course he had the beautiful cute little chocolatey colors. So to show you guys that one. Like I said, nothing too crazy about the packaging, but I just think it's cute. And same thing with the blushes quads, just this one's a little bit bigger. This one has those 4 colors divided just like the eyeshadow palette, but on the back, this one has the red background instead of that beige kind of sticker. So it matches the theme of the colors in the palette. Beautiful colors in there. Oh, I can't wait to break this down for y'all. And it does have that closure. That's why it snaps like that too. So I believe this palette was, I want to say that $10-15 mark, and then this one was just that $4. So guys, I'm going to try on all the eyeshadows and all the blush shades. So if you guys want to get this full look, including with all of that, just stay tuned. right, y'all. So I'm gonna get into back into these because this was a doozy. So again, with the baby palette, the sparkler palette, this one I think it's a classic color story. I don't think you can go wrong with this eyeshadow palette at all. My favorite colors is actually going to be more of the shimmers, especially that dark chocolate one. I love that one. The shimmers in there to me performed the best in my opinion. The mattes, they're cute. I feel like the mattes kind of look the same. Clearly there is a difference, but they're very, very neutral and just dark chocolate. Very, very cute, but I just feel like those mattes were not outperforming the shimmers, y'all. Because of the shimmers, I feel like how easy I put that on and it's just like so good. And they blended out beautifully, of course. I like the shimmers more than the mattes in this little baby palette. I think this is, again, another different formula of theirs. They're trying something else because those mattes, I don't care for them too much. But the shimmers are immaculate. Shimmers are nice and smooth and creamy. And I suspected that Colourpop, because they're pretty good with their like super shocks and all that. So why not have their shimmers to be nice and smooth like that? So pretty much this is a really good palette on the go though. You know, people are going to work, you know, the other ladies that just like throw on something and they're like, oh, they're at work or they do a smoky eye or a light shimmer on their eye. You'll love this because this palette is so little. It's just so little quaint little palette, and it literally just pop in your little pocket, go in your little purse and go, and you got shimmers and mattes to complete it out. 4 to 3 colors really is all you really do need for just a basic glam or basic neutral natural look, or a smoky eye too. So since it's so small and also the shimmers, the mattes in there 2 and 2, it's very convenient. I think people on the go working and whatnot, or like more neutral colors, you'll love this. And I think I like her too. Next up, the big one. So I did get the blush set. It's called Sweet Rose, the little cute little cheek palette. Colourpop, usually their blushes for more melanized skin are usually non-existent and they're trash. I'm not gonna lie, not gonna sugarcoat it. But I have to admit, this palette, it is very, very pigmented. These reds, as you guys can tell, I took them off. They did not blend as pretty as I thought they could. They both look the same. I don't see the difference. I think this one's maybe a little deeper, but to me they look almost pretty much the same. And on my cheeks, I think this one was a little more cherry red, but it's like still it's in the same range. So I'm like, okay. I just think those did not swatch really pretty, and I feel like those they didn't give me the oomph like I wanted it to. I mean, yes, the pigmentation, but blending out wise, it just said forget it. And I was like, okay. So I didn't really care for their red blushes like this. I'm glad they are pigmented, but if they don't blend out very pretty and effortlessly, because I do use all kinds of blush brushes, but that blush brush that I use, that one is like one of my softer ones. So it's like, it should have been able to blend out effortlessly on my cheeks. That deep berry brown kind of color, I did use that kind of for my technically contour blush situation. I think it came out okay. It came out better and a lot easier, softer looking than the other 2 red shades. I'm not crazy about that shade. Again, I feel like these blushes, the matte ones, are very dry, very matte. So I'm kind of like, okay. I mean, I love a matte blush, of course, but it just feels like it kind of just sticks there. And I'm like, I'm gonna need that to blend better. This one was better than the 2 red ones, but I still had to put in that extra work that usually a lot of blushes is like, either put too much or you go very soft and then it blends out very effortlessly and natural. This one I still feel like it's still like a little harsh, even though I was blending the mess out that thing, you know? That's that with all the mattes. Unfortunately, I'm not too much of a fan of the mattes. Avalon. This one, I was putting my brush in it at first, you guys can see. That one, this is a super shocked highlighter. So don't put your brush in there, use your finger. See that color? I think this color is very pretty. She is a little reddy, but she's golden as well. I think out of the palette, I actually like the Super Shock highlighter. I feel like that, again, they don't go wrong with that. It's just nice and soft and putty, and but yeah, like a champagne-y copper. It's a very pretty color, very, very pretty. I like the highlighter out of it in the darker brown berry kind of color. It's the ones that I have on. It's like doable, but to me the highlighter was the best out of this palette. So I was going for the blushes, but I guess Super Shock highlighters, like we always gotta win. But I didn't know the highlighter was gonna be in there. I thought it was just a goldy, shimmery, you know, blush. I thought that was just a topper on top of these darker matte colors, but it's a straight up Super Shock highlighter. Or 1 out of 4 to 2 out of 4. It's okay. It's halfway all right. So guys, overall with these cute little quads, what I'm getting from Colourpop is it's like cute convenience. It's kind of like the vibe of these collections. I think it is a cute concept, but I feel like overall the, you know, the material, the performance of these were 50-50, even with the shadows. I did not like the mattes in both of these palettes, really. I really did not. I liked all the shimmer and the Super Shock highlighter. So I think the mattes, please work on it a little bit more, Colourpop, because I was like, that didn't get me. It didn't pull me in, but the shimmers was like, oh, that's nice, yeah. So like 2 out of 4 is not bad, but at the same time, these are, you know, they're inexpensive. They're not too crazy expensive, so it's not bad at all. I just feel like those blushes could have been just like icing on your cheeks. It could have been just so pretty and so soft. I wish they were buildable, but I feel like they are not. So that's the part that sucks with that. But like I said earlier, 50-50 is not bad. I say if you do, or you're more melanized and especially deeper tone, you may like this palette, especially if you do like red blushes on your skin. Because I'm a fan of red blush, but I'm not really. I'll take an orange blush any day over a red blush, you know? That's just me. But yeah, I feel like that'd be very beautiful on deeper, darker skin. That'd probably be a hit with y'all. Like that'd be very, very beautiful. The eyeshadows, I feel like everyone can wear it. If I went with the palette or the eyeshadow, I would definitely pick the eyeshadow over the blush. And I was waiting to get that blush, not the shadows. You know, the eyeshadow quad won over the blush quad. So it is what it is. So guys, thank you for watching me, which is Nelly Doing Things. And also don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And don't forget to leave a comment below. So let me know in the comments below, guys, are you for the blush quads or for the eyeshadow quads? Which one did you like more? And you guys, don't forget to hit the notification button before you go. And you guys know what I'm already about to say. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Bye.